What if I told you that AI can build a complete website in just a few minutes? No coding, no design skills, just a simple prompt. Today, I'm testing 5 AI website builders to find out which one is actually worth using. And before we start, if you're interested in web design, AI tools, and technology tutorials, consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's get started. Let's start with Framer AI. Framer has become one of the most talked about AI website builders recently. After entering my prompt, Framer immediately started generating content, layouts, and sections. The first thing I noticed was the design quality. Unlike many AI tools that create generic websites, Framer produced something that actually looked modern. The typography was clean, the spacing felt professional, the layout followed modern design principles. I was also impressed by the animations. Everything felt smooth and polished. If I showed this website to someone without telling them AI made it, they might assume it was designed by a real designer. However, it's not perfect. Some content still needs editing. The AI can generate placeholder text that doesn't always fit your business. But overall, Framer gave one of the strongest first impressions. Next, I tested Wix AI. Wix takes a different approach. Instead of immediately generating a website, it asks questions about your business and goals. This makes the process more beginner-friendly. Someone with zero experience can answer a few questions and get a website within minutes. The generated design looked clean, navigation was easy, the layout was organized. However, compared to Framer, it felt a little more traditional. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Many small businesses actually prefer simple and familiar designs. If you're building a website for a local business, Wix AI might be exactly what you need. The third tool was Hostinger AI Website Builder. What stood out immediately was speed. The website was generated very quickly. The layouts looked professional enough for most businesses. The color combinations worked well. The sections were organized logically. What I liked most was how practical the generated websites felt. They weren't flashy, but they looked ready to use. For someone who wants to launch a business website quickly, Hostinger AI could save a lot of time. Now let's talk about Durable AI. Durable is famous for one thing: speed. It creates websites incredibly fast. In less than a minute, I had a complete website. The AI even generated business content automatically. That's impressive. However, the design quality wasn't as strong as Framer. It looked more functional than beautiful. Still, for small businesses and startups, speed might be more important than perfect design. Finally, I tested 10 Web AI. This platform is built around WordPress. That means you get more flexibility and customization. The advantage is obvious. You can build more advanced websites. But there's a trade-off. Beginners may find it more complicated than the other tools. If you've used WordPress before, you'll probably appreciate the extra control. But if you're completely new, Framer or Wix might be easier. So here's my final ranking. Number 1, Framer AI. Number 2, Wix AI. Number 3, Hostinger AI. Number 4, 10 Web AI. Number 5, Durable AI. If you're a beginner, start with Wix. If you want the best design quality, choose Framer. And if you want to launch a business website quickly, Hostinger is a great option. Let me know in the comments which AI website builder impressed you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Charu for more web design and technology content.